Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video channel. Anyways, I'm at the Venta area again. I'm not staying here or anything. I'm still living at that trailer house. I'm just over here skating because this is the only place that I can skate, including to the trailer parks too. But I like skating here for some reason. But I have one exciting thing to tell you guys. I'm at the new house that we're at right now. I'm at right now. I found a bike in the little shed thing. In that little shed, that bike is like no tires, no brakes, no gears, and nothing. So when my mom's boyfriend come back home, found this bike that got deserted, I say, oh, bring it to our house, and I'll take that apart and rebuild the other bike that's in my shed. Anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm rebuilding the broken bike that we found in the shed. In this shed right in our house, it's really small, like really small. I can't fit my head into it. That's how small it is. And I can't fit my whole. I can't go in it. If I can go in it, it's just you had to bend down to go into it. Anyways, I'm building the bike and all that stuff, and that's all I wanted to say right now. Anyways, I will come back again and show you the bike, or do a video on for the bike. Anyways, see you later. Bye.